So he takes criminal cases. Do you ever feel that by taking criminal cases, he is risking his life? I will give you a few words. Just using those words, create your own story.
But we have to practice. Unless if you won't practice English, it is be very difficult. Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing great. So did you have breakfast?
Yes, just now, ma'am. Just now I had my breakfast.
Okay. You are feeling comfortable? Are you feeling nervous?
No, ma'am, I'm comfortable because daily I'll watch Meenu ma'am's conversation videos. I'm a fan of you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for the appreciation. And your name is Madhavi.
Yeah, ma'am, Madhavi.
Your account is Anvesh something, no?
Yeah. Actually, my son account that is Instagram.
Okay, that is your son.
So regularly I'll watch your
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Regularly I'll watch your conversation videos now, ma'am. We will see that, ma'am. Mummy, you'll watch Meenu ma'am's video. No, why don't you connect with Meenu ma'am? So he has messaged you from his Instagram.
Okay.
Thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So Madhavi, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I'm Madhavi. I done my graduation. I'm from Telangana, and I'm having 3 children. My husband is an advocate. He specializes in criminal cases. He'll deal with criminal cases. And coming to my hobbies, I love music, and most of the time I'll watch all conversation videos because I'm a passionate. I want to build my vocabulary English.
Okay.
And I'm homemaker. I forgot to say that. I'm fully homemaker.
Okay. Okay. Why do you want to learn English and improve your English?
This is my passion, ma'am, and my dream also.
Okay. Okay. How old are your children?
My elder daughter, she's studying in 11th class, ma'am. And my son is studying in 9th standard, and my small younger daughter, she's studying in 7th standard.
Okay.
They are encourage me in speaking in English, all and all, because every time they'll go to school, now as soon as they'll go to school, I'll take the phone and I'll see all the conversation videos, how they are talking, in which kind of people, how they are talking, which manner. So because I want to do like them same.
Okay. You are improving your English because your children are also encouraging you. They also want you to become good at English, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do your children speak English well?
Yes, ma'am. If I'll talk with them, they will cooperate with me, and whatever I will talk with them, they'll speak with me in English only.
Okay. They try to correct your mistakes also.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's great. And your husband is an advocate.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
So he takes criminal cases. Do you ever feel that by taking criminal cases, he is risking his life?
No, ma'am, because he's an expert that. Because he's having the experience. He can manage.
He's an expert in that field. But don't you think it's risky for his life?
No.
Okay.
Because his profession is like that, ma'am.
Okay, how do you practice speaking English every day?
Ma'am, most of the time I'll busy with reading stories, ma'am. And that 2 stories, I want to tell the stories to my children in my own way.
Yeah.
If you give the permission for me to tell a little bit 2-minute story, I can tell.
Yes, sure. I want to hear a story from you. Please go ahead.
Once upon a time, there was a deer. It was pregnant. The deer was pregnant. She was having labor pains. It was dark. It was evening time. The forest was covered with black clouds. Due to black clouds, lightning had fallen in the forest, and the forest has caught fire. The deer had to leave her house due to forest fire. These kind of stories I am interested to tell to my stories.
Okay. So I want to know what happened after it left the forest.
Actually, the stories are motivational stories. We should not lose our hopes. So what happens now? She's with a pregnant. She's going to drink water because she left her home because due to the forest fire. So she went to drink water. That time she have seen back of a tree. One hunter was there to aim her.
Okay.
Some noise to keep an arrow. So if she left side, right side, fire is going on.
Mm-hmm.
If she'll go to the inside, the crocodile is there.
Okay.
So no chances are not there for her to escape.
Okay, you mean to say
So
that
then-
if she goes into the water, there is a crocodile. If she goes on the right side, there is forest fire. If she goes on the left side, there is a hunter.
Yeah, ma'am, exactly. So then also she never lost her hope. Whatever it may be happen, she want to drink the water and she drank. So the miracle had happened that time. The thunders had fallen and the hunters, what happened? Hunters' arrow was not correct to point.
Okay.
So it went and on the crocodile side. So and after that immediately the rain had came.
Okay.
So this by seeing the your forest side fire also stopped. So in this critical situation also, the deer was very she's having very patience. With that patience only she has survived.
Okay.
These kind of words of wisdom, motivational stories I will see, ma'am. It will be very encouraged for me.
So she finally went home.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So you mean to say that a miracle had happened and the hunter's arrow was not aimed at the right point. It went towards the crocodile. It didn't hurt the, what was it? Deer. Immediately it started raining and the rains put out the forest fire and then it went home. So finally it could survive. The deer could survive only because of her determination. And, the deer didn't lose hope. That is why it survived. Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
you read these kind of stories and then you tell these stories to your kids in your own words.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, that's
We should
amazing.
not lose our hopes.
Okay, so you read a lot of stories. I will give you a few words. And can you create a new story? I will give you a few words. Just using those words, create your own story. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, so flower, yellow, ghost, beautiful. Use these 4 words and create a story. Flower, yellow, beautiful, ghost. Only these 4 words.
There was a beautiful yellow flower.
Mhm.
While I'm going to the garden, have seen a big ghost. Suddenly I was shocked and I don't know what to do. I plucked the yellow flower and the ghost has run away.
Okay. We can make a story like the ghost was the owner of this yellow flower. As soon as you plucked the yellow flower, the ghost ran towards you and you were running. Now, how will you escape? Now, how will you save yourself from the ghost? Because you plucked the yellow flower, that is why the ghost has become angry. Just create a story right now.
Actually, this is my first conversation with you, ma'am. I'm very, very excited that I won't forget that first conversation with you.
Okay.
Actually, I'm a tuition teacher, ma'am. I completed my 10th class. Immediately, I started giving tuitions.
Okay.
And by coming to my background, I'm a Telugu medium. My mother tongue is Telugu. I'm from Telangana, Secunderabad.
Okay.
So when I was in Telugu medium, that time I thought that all are speaking in English medium girls. So why can't I can't speak like them?
Mhm.
So from in my school, from 6th onwards, English medium is there. Till 5th, I studied in Telugu medium. So I went and joined in English medium 6th class. After that, I came back, returned in Telugu medium. Why? Because I thought that it will be very difficult for me to read and practice, because so many years I have completed in Telugu medium only my class. So if I'll go and join in 6th class in English medium, it will be very tough for me, I thought. Again, I ran from there and I came to the Telugu medium. So after coming to the college degree, all in all, so why I didn't take from that time only 6th class? If I would be have taken 6th class that time only in English medium, I can able to speak and tackle with all them in English medium, I thought.
Mhm.
So listening that, by seeing that, I thought one idea. I'll start at least now onwards with everyone. Luckily, my neighborhood children, they used to come near me for tuition. They'll come. I used to tell them all the subjects, and I used to speak with them in English, because all are from convent schools.
Okay.
So by speaking with them, I learned from them in English.
Mhm.
So like that, I used to read that time only English papers. If I don't know the English papers, I used to take a pencil and mark with the pencil, whatever I don't know, I underlined. After that, immediately I used to take out the pocket dictionary, because that too pocket dictionary I got a first prize in 10th class. I got first rank.
Oh, wow.
So
That's
that time
amazing.
first
Okay. Mhm.
pocket dictionary, and I'll see the meaning immediately. I'll write in my language, Telugu.
Okay.
And after that, I used to speak that full sentence with others, because it should get practice.
Mhm.
So my neighborhood, they are Christians.
Okay.
When I was small, that time I used to stay with them in most of the time with them only. But I never thought that to speak with them in English.
Okay.
Like I never thought. So what happened after coming to the degree? I got this opportunity talking with them. From degree onwards, I thought to speak with them in English. Degree onwards.
Okay.
So like that, my journey has started, ma'am.
So after class 10, you didn't study after that?
Yeah. I studied on I have done my graduation. BCom I done.
Okay. But after 10th, you started giving tuition, and even now you are giving tuitions.
Yeah. After Corona, I stopped giving tuition, ma'am.
Okay. After COVID, you are
After
not
marriage,
giving
also.
tuitions?
Yeah. After COVID, I stopped giving tuition, ma'am.
So why don't you start again?
I'll start, ma'am, because I'm taking care of my children, because they should first, they have to give a proper time to them. I have to spend most of the time with them only. After growing 10th class like that, again, I'll start taking tuitions, ma'am.
Okay. So when your younger daughter also finishes her class 10, then you will start giving tuitions again.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So you mean to say that you had studied Telugu medium till class 10. If you had gone to English medium from 6 to 10, you would have become very good at English. But you started giving tuition and you started speaking with the tuition children. That is why you were able to improve your English.
Yes, ma'am. I completed my whole graduation in Telugu medium only. Till the graduation, I completed in Telugu medium only.
Okay. So you have always studied in Telugu medium.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.
So what I used to do means, our neighbors, they're having small girl. So I used to bring her and I used to talk with her. What is your name? What, when you got up? This kind of small sentence I used to ask her. I make her sit on my lap. I used to talk with her, and I used to give a chocolate. What is this? What is that? What they will tell, because she is a 4 years or 5 years girl.
Okay.
Like that. Sometimes if you want to be in her house, I used to speak in front of the mirror, because I want to improve my English.
Okay, you wanted to improve your English. That is why you used to bring that little kid. How old were you at that time?
That time I was 20 years, ma'am.
Okay, you were 20 and that child was 4 5 years old. So you started speaking with her and then you started giving tuitions.
Yeah. After 10th, I started giving tuitions, ma'am.
Okay. That's amazing, and it has improved your English so much.
Yeah, ma'am. And after watching this kind of conversation videos also, it is very benefit that we can able to speak, because everyone want to speak in English, but what they will do means they won't do proper practice, ma'am. They will think that it is easy it is, but we have to practice. Unless if you won't practice English, it is be very difficult. For that we have to spend the time for 1 hour reading English, 1 hour for practicing. So then only we can reach our goals. See, most of the college students, they will be in the topper positions, but they won't speak in interviews properly. This is the main defect they are facing. This only I want to tell my children, whether you are perfect in studies, you'll be a topper position in the school or college. Then also in interviews, you may fail 40, 30 interviews also, you'll get disqualified just because of speaking skills. This you should not face. So most probably what I'll do with my children, I will speak with them in English. Whether they are speaking with me in Telugu also, I'll speak with them in English, because I want to improve my English. Whether you will give English answer in English or not, never mind. But I want to speak with them in English. Slowly, I want to improve more and more.
If these children don't understand English, even then, if they keep listening to it, they will start understanding English.
No. My daughter, actually, what happened, ma'am? My daughter,
No,
we
no,
are
your
joined
tuition
in
children.
convent.
Your tuition children. If they don't understand English, if they keep listening to you, they will start understanding it.
They will start understanding it because they are from all our English medium and their convent schools like that. Now, ma'am, they can understand. Then they will speak also. They will speak. They will
And
speak correct.
and do you understand Hindi?
Yeah, ma'am. Hindi I can understand.
Oh,
I can
you
speak
understand?
Hindi.
Okay, you can
Yeah.
speak
I'll
Hindi
speak.
and you can understand Hindi. That's very good. Okay. Yeah.
Most I will nowadays I'm seeing all Manju ma'am, Meenu ma'am, yours, and grammar with Manju, English with Shanta, and Rajini ma'am.
Okay.
These channels only regularly I'm downloading all these kind of videos, conversations, and whenever I will having the time now, I will listen, ma'am.
Okay, you
If I'm doing
download the.
household chore,
Okay, you don't
yeah,
watch
I
the.
download.
You don't watch the videos on YouTube. You download them.
Yeah. Whenever I'll get the time now, that time I will, while I'm doing the household chores also, I'll washing vessels also, I'll keep hearing that.
Okay.
What,
That's amazing.
how-
That's amazing. Yeah. If more and more English goes in your ears, then more and more will come out of your mouth. So it's important to listen to a lot of English content.
If I will be sitting also, I'll thinking about English only, what the person is doing. If I talk this, I keep going on thinking in my mind, this, we have to speak like this. So I'll give the preference for English only. My husband will laugh at me. What is this? Every time you'll be back off English only. Why don't you spend time on others? No. I'm passionate.
Okay, so looks like you are very, very passionate about English and just keep practicing. You are very good at English right now, and I think you spoke very well. So we can connect again after a month or so. Okay, so you can approach
Thank you,
him
ma'am.
again. Yeah, it was a
Thank you,
lovely
ma'am. Thank you for
conversation. I had so much fun. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, Madhvi.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Same to you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.